How to log into your NatWest Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your NatWest Bank. So to do that, first of all, go to any web browser of your preference and in the web address bar, simply type in NatWest. After that, tap on the first link, which is natwest.com. Now, in order to log into your NatWest Bank, simply tap on the login option on the top right corner of your screen. After that, once you're taken to this page, you can either enter your customer number, which is your date of birth followed by your unique identification number, or you can also enter your 16-digit card number, which will be across the front side of your debit or credit card. Now once you have entered any one of these two, you can simply tap on the option continue. After that, once you tap on the option password and then tap on the option log on, you'll have successfully logged in or signed into your NatWest Bank's online banking account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.